We are pleased to show you the 2021 Tacoma.
Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row.
This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights,
Rear step bumper,
rear stabilizer bar, speed control, front wheel independent suspension. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.